Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi omuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu
Biaka mumancho mo rigelia Ensoko TV anonsi asogante ko rigelia mero video au egano to komanya twagosemya nabo igo twakogokia na nabotamba somo rito bo benimi no botugi nibo tukorero turachikunya to gosanga nande asintunda yende oborimi no botugi bwe chinchoke kwa chinseme chiga cha etono ime yebunge ya West Mugrange County iga ya Nyamira mancho mo rigelia to gosanga igoro chinchoke go sobo tugi bwe chinchoke ego to kurigelia bya chinchoke mburu byo bwiga ase okorosia mabaga yemeremo asogokonya ebintu bitwetana na susukorende ebintu bitwetana nabo igo bunayo muremi kwanya kabago kwene kinga ngwenyorole ngeria gwetera oburemi bwiga bwe chinchoke obwa banta banga orogongo rwagusi bachakire kwene kingwe sone nole no tugiye bwiga bwe chinchoke ilio kwenyorera chibesa nabo igo kugendira magimabo bunabo tambe ekere banyaka bagukina asinchire bwendete aiga niko natarira singeyemo yumugaka Samuel Sato kurwa sinseme yiga yetono urachi gutomanya mono kierekia musugumete guchaka obutugi bwe chinchoke na ndinkikiri aikiranira sobutugi bwiga karibu sana mwancho murigelia sanga muri ntuguchakira bonoiga goikomwerio bwisemye nabo yo kwimanya ubatikana n'uboremi mu butugi bwe chinchoke karibu sana mwarimu na ndembe mona sogo chore Ensoko TV kumanya abarigelia igoro yobutugi bwe chinchoke manyango mu ligerelia uligeretie ainingo na iga ngaitole
nje Samuel Sata okale abono neto no village ere West Mugirango Mugichora ward Nyameru sub location Kera location yeah
twachagete ekiaga sekiga cyogutuga chinchoke
enteke akiwa tuga chinchoke nage jagete 20 tari kale mono c'est 2015
that's almost miaka 11
2015 yeah
nchigia ko sumete guchaka gutuga chinchoke
obutugi bwe chinchoke ngonya koboiwa from a distance by accident nkagenda bo mheshimiwa Gesami nganya chinchoke njimo jandete nyumba ase jimni yaya nganya analetira omuntu aje ko chinchoke echo bojo netiri nganya ngo mungwane n'omutugi bwe chinchoke sana katwagamba nera ngandebisoro nkebiri bakoro kwa Evans and ne chinchoke so I made an effort yoko genda kumutarira ana kumutarira nganya ngatugete chinchoke buya kwa njia ya rais so from there ngachakerabu
nkekogera chinchoke chiregentekia gutuga asenka
no chinchoke is the number one obonabo boli mebole the easiest so long as you kora management ya chinchoke because chinchoke chitolwe chiregeria ndagera ochiretera chiri korwaro chigo chirigeria mafeti na
amariogo
acho chikugorera amariogo yours is just kobeko musinga chinchoke soime onye manage buya okore other things biko chi affect after wakore you harvest oboke kwa ndende ko nyolagas
that's why they so special as oburimi chinchoke na ki chikobera special omwe chinchoke bande batebanga chinchoke nchibwa tobuya getobungi
yeah
nagiye kogera chire chingia soburimi
nchibwa nchiri strenuous nga karoko kolega asirioka na karoko rusia oboke na karoko rasu vision because the best ibintu mbirororo bigocha byachichanda bya like jinsanako like biwanku biri byabo tuko like ebinto mbiro binga chinsuri ga bikonyunyunto boke once you control yecho then you are done.
Tutorikiraga bwasi ebinto biri biguchanda chinchuke buna pests na boigo amarwaira erotayo
Ya
amarwaira ase chinchuke tingarese naro omuntu gochaka obutugi bwe chinchuke usibino gwachagete nkiaga neirie
bona chinchuke kubwati ng'ang'a yota gete guchichakera buna bone chiane chira ng'ena nka in fact because chinchuke nacho chinchire very destructive. Gentora kanie si chinchuke obviously no matana alavu yasogo chibeka ya pure yabo asogo chibeka tati compound ya compound yabo nero set aside na compound yabo kero onyo totageti chichande na boko nye surround 8 na abo ko smeka yento buna chinsiaga round chikine chigan. That is the simplest way you can do chikine chigan
ususmeka moga
kusosmeka alia matambe akina agenda igoro no ene cha na boko smeka round kina agenda igoro tani gatiga igabono no kobeke metana yabo because yerangena compound because bono akine ja jire igoro chinchoke karo chigosoka chigosoka uchigoro around here bono njuwa at interest osoka gujigoro yagenda abu yaligia bo ekwerende mauga yanywera yaligia amaje yanywa naende karigo jabona ego chakurugoro yaso bona around here kaligo kosia disturbance. It does not cause disturbance unless naende chachagigo with good management njinjibu atiani disturbance unless chiro chichinyane chache giwe
bigina nerete tugochaka bona igubutugi bwe chinchuke watebire nyumba nero ye apiari as chinchuke chiga okwendo beke metane yiga naende onyako baboko ya roseri buyiga egere chinchuke ichubuya yapari yiga gose metane yiga amagiri naro gose ngakichikoro ngaki bikoroswa
wana kignata nga eita osmeke around ya mauga gose chinsiaga for njikola any damage or wagache nyumba bune ritwara nyumba onye siri na mabati koru inse igora riotige spaces chigosokera nejidirisha na chinse moiga lakini chire raised chire igoro chigosoka chasoka chigokosi disturbance ya no metane ya nere big issue naende metane ya nero nebwate specification chiaye because goikonyo oromotana obole obwate tokoroke bruda nari se queen ekobera ekobekera magena chatura gya bana and then tobwate super bono ne ya igoro chambe ya igoro I wish ngona ngantwale toyomo chambe ya igoro bono I think we should have one chambe ya igoro no bono chikobekero boke
so every day yiga whatever nga wiketokor ne super wiketokor bruda no equeen ekoba
bruda no equeen ekoba equeen bono nere rie kobeka magena ya turagia ya twara chinchoke
makiakoroswa ose bado na chibweka ine metane
no equeen is special metana metana oyo bwe queen bono no romone naka no romugare koro sigu bono ndobwate ndogornge queen excluder so that a queen that is supposed to go just a super one coffee wire nengo be kwere igoro pero ya be kirugoro bono eneko make queen yetigare mali teligosoka ha is only to lay eggs bono queen ye bono era no konya kobeka magena ate gosoka because yetire jego ke super joli super na boko beka isa to chigoro a queen is just that one na kiwera tengare Bone tire gocha tokonyora boke. Because ye kobeka magena chituragie na bibiri bono tokoroka mana twakarira mana.
Umwana buli oboke.
Were very nutritious and very sweet.
Akitwanjite gutafuna iyo.
Mana and very medicinal.
Wow.
Mana bono. One queen exclude aye. Nero bone gotange queen because it's only the workers. Yes, I see yabo. Nero choka chigo eta queen because you're bigger. Teliko
Tekonyara
weta. Tekonyara weta. Yeah.
Libagalingana na kyo montata kire korosi ya appearia ase chincho kichikobera. Odedo gochaka.
It will depending metana nerengo tageto chakera. Because yung matana to limonene, it will depending on a kyo metanere go tageto chaka. But the sizable is not something big. And yung babino require is about 25 by 30 feet. Yeah.
Kerto kuligeria nena mona igoro ye metane yiga na bigenyo mbe yiga chincho kiagero nyetubu atie metane go stubu chincho kechiga. Anna mona ngo rolenga usincho kechiga to ucha konyora keli kwali getigo so konyora as chincho kechiga.
Yeah, otabe ti careful buna twateba orende queen techese super so boke bogona takobekerwa otoranyora boke. Otabe ti careful buna twatebe bintu biri pests biri bigocha abera bigocha okonyora boke. Actually chinchoke the key word is management. Yeah. Oborendi wechinchoke. Management in the sense that telling an agent dagger again to korenda nkelinga binte bindi swaime ne queen nero tegenda ase super.
Does it mean into what types ye emetane yiga anamonoro gongoro garwa gusi?
Yeah.
Neredi wa
obwato bwate Langstrot neli nago tebi bwate super ne brooder. I think is oli anyuski chana otokonyora they can
togendere ngoye bwate
anyuski chana otokonyora. And then we have the Kenya top bar nero ne mokorake kinoro no bwato buyabwaye kuna wengine wanaipenda. Lakini esebona ya kizaza is Langstrot.
Inere inki yabona asobo tugibwe chinchoke era koletere
ya nere koletera mapata maya.
Chinchoka nemono nigo chanjete amoga nebisicha. Ayebuna yomuremi bwe chinchoke na inde watebirenga chinchoke chino do yochituga. Amogo chismekerete gose ogochitiga chasoka chachikoligia amoga asigete nebisiche.
Chinchoke no chitiga igo kiche memete rororo. Like here you can see the compound is surrounded memete. Bintu na matoke mara bintu wate jikawa kubeka chire bisicha mara chibando cha somoirie kubeka chire bisicha chinjoke njanje to sana. Usually chinchoke chigotara chagende distance chagikoria nabo chigogenda bwe neighbor cyari yanje cyandeta robo cyagenda bwe neighbor maete bona abuno obuya bwe chinchoke bole tago chabaselinge chinchoke chine chasata chacha kwa aje bwe chiseli they are like wild animals cyandeta robo lakini one to make their work also easier we could provide amauga mnabone compound ngaiga nisimegeta amauga nare talions mauga nare special for chanchete mnabona liugandire lina baroki gwataka uga kanyere the lady here drop flower elio na rosette Baraka College they are specialized in beekeeping. So they gave me that one. Kachangasimeka. It's very good. In the evening, oije okanga na chinchoke chimenyera. In the morning, oije okanga na chinchoke chimenyera. Chinyeni kogosimeka nyene chinsaga. This compound ina rasmike chinsaga because I love chinchoke chigosongero. Ebisicha biri chinsaga. They like it. Okanya jechoire kapisa. So na machirende o provide. That is all about chinchoke.
So how many days kero chinchoke chiasuira simetani iga kwa rosiri kire kemo kwa bekire kire gendo motukari ngesi gukora chinchoke chiga chiama ya krosi.
It takes time kero chire mutana buno bibono romunya. It takes time doroche chi shario gochi tega gochi bekera asegete chiasoa
Ngyo kubeka
okobeke bruda yoka super tulikobeka kobeke bruda yoka ime nabogo beko bocho koberia wakari ese bitebiria I wish onange bitebimbia chago bocho bwe chinchoke wako bochoya or tobuate lemongrass oil nero re attract yo tonyeria tarata asibago tangasa na nyora so many of them nero they are very good so kwabeka wachiteka se umote nabono njire gorali totegete so wachiteka karo chia soire chi establish bya chaba sadudi kwama yojuruzi ororo wajira se apiori or ntobuate the swarm catcher box swarm catcher box ebono nere riego okoira anywhere like unanje bona kalongo ntagete nko anybody aba mraba naba tabia box yeyo okonde tara chinchoke na mwa 500 the swarm catcher yo box na boko mo agende atege chinchoke akoreta nero is very good why manyo go transfer to the pure bono ekero wa transfer kwa manya kobeke super bono chinchoke the workers bono chance koros yogo choe ase super chance koros it will take about 5 or 6 months karajire chingeni 5 or 6 months lakini once chiaro siri kwa rusiri oke bishari jigo take 3 to 4 months just depending on corona kia how strong it chigo ira 6 months
chinchoke chairo sem 5 to 6 months tate bono almono kwa nkyo harvesting chinchoke chiga is there a special method yoko harvest
chinchoke ine year na ora harvest katato depending on environment na kiere na kio weather na ora harvest kana lakini usually katato
so kero usanga yora
mangana after every 3 months karachi establish
indi chinchoke chikorosi yoko kemono kero kiomura kero se kero
weather bune yone mblero onke mwasake igo kero kiomo basumone naru na wajiko wanjikorosi weather nere bembe mono njikorosi weather bune yone this is the time na special way yokorosi na yokurusi oboke nelinga obogotwale bisuit nele o protect
ili bote
bake net go pia gloves chibuti so kabone karo so imina ne jijo ko burukani afterwards ireme you only take a smoker watch smoke kwa igora super kwerende broda tolikonye kuna broda you only check na bintu binde bya so ile mbiyajire kwarusi bruda kwarusi bono chi bitabirinyana kana kwarusi ire bitabirinyana kwa checking oboke mbororo anyo boke bororo anyo kobwate hani extractor machine bono korusi bitabiria kwa virus bire nobo tengo siri chiro boke boli chigo siri kabisa kwa Rusia honi kombonero kwa Rusia siri eligiro sati kwa manya kobeka na ese machine
eli
machine yono kuzunguza oboke bwasoka or alternatively
inki utumekere machine yiga kurusia oboko boiga
bone machine ye ko extract only oboke korusia because yako gande speed yago either manually or steamer because yako gande speed yago bono mbeli wo uterero oboke bwatu wanyitotoka wacha buoka waso ese tangelia waso ese tap watachero bono oboke bebe getekeri kwa rusitike bwato bochoe no oboke bono ekero okerusimaria machine ekebwata obochobo
Aha.
no obochobo bono okoboirani naende ase super
Ase super ime.
bono chinchoke chia continue kobeka oboke rather than ekero ogodestroy obochoe boria naende echigo chikorigia time chiachikorosia obochoe bonde chiamanya kobeka oboke lakini bono obo the only thing ng'aiye damage ekorire chiaripete damage chianza kobeka oboke that is the harvesting the period bono ekoba shorter than ekero okora manually
Warusi pio bochoe bori.
yes
Besides that, kwa gesire oboke bwa gusi kwa gesire oboke kurasi esupejiga.
yeah
Obuya bwe chinchoke gusi murubyo. Obuya bwe chinchoke guso oboko obo.
oboke bono bokomanyete is one of the product ye chinchoke there are other products oboke actually they saying some bali babwatha experience bakorire abagatanga oboke is the cheapest product ye chinchoke there are other products ye chinchoke very expensive lakini rendo oboke bono nobuya because there is food and there is medicinal orojo buna marwaire abeire amange bono na umwe
Bona ye jiskai.
ene chisukari bugwoti not na umuntu akogenda nyagetari atabunga endo gorobo noboke na barombole sweetener bokorosia amariogo and some medicine one oboko the demand yero obviously once you produce the oboke borobuya otabo burukaniti ebintu binde bande babakorukana sukari nguru bande baburukania amaje
Basamba ganchuka kama barutai.
basanga banjuke barutaine which is not good lakini so long as oboke borobuya it goes unanja kana chageta I produced oboke bongo that is the time ntawate market lakini kana chageta kanya kumanye market now before that harvest, the order is already there. And they eternity what you are going to harvest.
Whatever besides oboke mbona chake ibintu mbiro binde enchuke ose muntara rusie asichinjoke chiga.
Yeah.
Minto kebiga naende obuya bwae mburobi ekero okwogesa kurasi chinjoke chiga.
Okay. Bono muna abachoe mbororo obokorosi uchikandro and other polishes polish buno bono korosi chinyo ko smooth and shine chinyo and other things. Alavu enchoke asenale onye crack kero there is substance engabune rami enchoke korusia ya seal that substance is the most expensive and according in terms of grams
Ekorusia ase amana
na bego chere robo choe toro juno bono crack to kase so motana enchokoma it is very good at that ego siri kapisa tego take crack eboro because enchoke it has to protect the queen by all means onye crack ya vele mama tenge queen which are affected yaziri again tonkara ego produce ngabne rami yeko bwata yento kelina gyo nabo o keruzubu ya separate kwa you can sell what they use for it I'm not sure but there is because tinda adiri mono what I've dealt with ne oboke lakini that one is very expensive there is even the market for it another one is toroji mobule ro lwenjoka no what a substance phenomena something like that bosongo boria bolina bara bungorosi kubora mariogo that is another very expensive because there is even a machine yegente kyokobeka chinjoke chaite mebulera wacha kwa rusi oro kwa extract yegento kali kwa very expensive
unto nara gerana kareto bolindu we chinjoke naenda matuka makaetire
yes
ndebe tinga chinjoke chikora 6 na botanyora maruire a usibna marege rainchi kokora sa mwathani abo abna makweli is it true
that one I'm not sure but that is the belief joke yakora sirengo siriera marwaire gete because that kwere ndo bosongo boria at least mbale medicine na wa which barosia mariogo they make a mariogo yeah
Wow, turagenda so mutima ko mwe to kwirana nya to gusangana muno nga kyoko gesobu ko wiga nga kyoko bo park nga kyoko nya na wige michandu gwetere ndo chikusangana muno igiro y'ibintu biri wante byali wakunira igiro bigo chanda chincho to kechinde chiata wanchumo ligalia oyo no lemito Samuel Sato utomanyana muno igiro yoburi migwe chinchoke karto usangana ere kurwa sinka yae aiga ime yansemo yetu no
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi onye kubwatari ibolyo obosemia gusekero kendi gyonsiguro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira sebishe itego toka samagacho Hazina Towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'umugusi magega ya television y'Ensoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokoralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokoralia bokonyulia ogokwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lyabene liyokoralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake busani tolikere gose twakere simigwetere namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662
kanane manifesto yo monginoyo nabo twarorire nga nabwata maona manene arakonya abantu baito be county ya Nyamira
egati abamenyi ba Kitutu Masaba kugania maonchereri asekerwo kyoborai bwa basubati
jua isipotosha utajaza wapi tukutane tuone vile utaiba utaibia hata hiyo tuko wapi sio ukiba
ntwebiroberetie korenda chikura cyobo cholyo bonene oene kiryo yokoligekerwo kyoborai bwense Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
Watu wamedanganya kwamba in the finance bill ati iko taxation imeletwa on land.
Vikatene ni obobebole aso muswada bwechibesa no kubolye kwaye Musalia Mudavadi.
Eye Nensoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Ensoko TV utambe ubuntu sobo mu busi asitugusanga kubatukana n'ubutugi nabo bogoreme eka tugusanga tsukurira regoro yo butugi bwiga kwichinchuke batinze mekiga cyetu ne tugusanga no mutugi iga Samuel Sato yori mu mwalimu agateba nkanchiganda akaranko butugi bwiga kwichinchuke ubwo agente ko nekinga munyararo boita turasobora ne bwiga no butugi kwichinchuke mwalimu ni mai tarigaje guys korobo twibukije ande takero umuhondo wacake utwibura bukije wacake utwibura bukije 2015 wakati nyomba wakati mbeta Nangwa ni muno iguru yo korosia inyumba yega ocha ani muno asi uwa gacho iguru mbega nemetani
Every man now I tell my target. So then I target the single structure. Now I get so I did the renovation naturally and around this cover nyumba mbege tamu maja no wapanga pasties like chini so maja aliona ale but at the same time maja ya chincho kichigo tumeko at the same time maja ya mbege the chinso at the same time maja ya mbata so na mbege to azora nenda gerengi ya watu protein chingo
kati muno me ocha ko kiwe chincho kitango nanga ni muno bwe me umbuta kebi na bwe kana bwo kora obwe ni wetani abo mo ase wetra chincho kichi
yes
because megete yani around ya bwo megeta ya around ya bwo kabeka macho kabeka chincho maka na digirya ni muno igo semiriga ni usumira ga water
ya water cabbage maja because buat maja no water cabbage so kama a lot of one water cabbage ni go bi maja ko nyorale ara marabu and at the same time the water cabbage maboko usiachi chini kwa nyombe egento kiagera tenkanyibeka ka change ngakora bitatu renovation although expensive boni nyombe echigonkonya pesti sitina watanchi like ibintu mbiro bisimi bikonyuta awoke because esa marawaine ya nyuto ya to chimeta which is very bad. Then interior to go spray because chinchoko spray wachi at the same time to go spray because chinchoke echi bono ne chinchoke so you don't spray bono no watch control physical no maja you au konya interior na konjigando yendo kende na animals nige bekenge go ya botu keke yo ko mita ya karo kigia so ile is very bad so bono abati ya mbegete aba control those spaces so ile bicho secondly abati andu ada ba surround ya gagenda yo because chinjoke chinchigo soka na makereni ya
na kyo tigeze ngabegora abiketera
cha etron rigora chigo distabu kwende the surrounding so inchokego chaka karo chaka isa depending what pero chinje na hata na chake in the simple way ile ni metana nje na rosa but then I came to discover ndio yo asina rango na ikie kwini ya correct acha hiyo asina rango tina those places like animals so which is bad lakini wone metana mne wone mwararaje really most of them are also in the machine so it is sealed kabisa wapenda ni lock ego ibate lock karo como choi ni super ne broda bona ibagandi ibate lock bona ndio tira so expensive now that the corona Nairobi I almost 6,000 but Nega tukia weka expensive weka floor area. Say that floor area simple. So that it kero chia best ya so hii naona maji na wao siara wa kwa wache sasa ya kia la to siara.
Na mo ni kintu kile ndio kwa
kintu kama hivi Jira sasa basi kitu jira sasa basi and at the same time more you aje tu kwa so you can start and at the same time there are going to be like YouTube like Facebook so those information you can really you can get all the information and you can read. Although I'm intending, and there is a course here 2 weeks or 1 week. In most cases, I've been telling you that what a lot of ignorance. Yeah, I got it twice. We have to talk. We have to talk. So you to us. Like you know, training in area. It's a very good training. But what is program? You to change. And then I got the back on a check for 1 day, you pay a certain fee. Why really wide to round and then that is good. It is good to learn before you start. So, Jack, now I don't have to Lakini there are other some technicalities or the job to
yangi na siri buti kubwa na mono kubatikana na space ya mitamini kiko kwaro siri ya keriga kubiki mitamini ga oko yibeka amo ose space
at least now what you another thing muna tuara ralia stand jana ne chichu itanga ni na vega tichibao lakini wao na chibaye jinaro it is easy for all to go. That is the worst part yo murembe wao bintenda zigo cyane wano mbege techichuma ngakirumena nejijumeji bimbege tekibari wano zali nabo wakegirisi egere binde bimbigo tira bigo ikabyanyora kibari byafuya ibindu byaba
wasangira anomono igoro ya ometane yiga nabo yiga imbiga. And some people wakoro simetana babeke mitiga. Why do you prefer kuida imitani yao kubika mitigo? Nando bya kubika asia keri, nando kubika emite.
Oh no, I started with a few one distance. Kano yazile karoka ko mitigo roiga jiga away from this because to can consider I started with a few one guided distance maade kabisa. But unfortunately, abantu bagaija bakaiba baba gusanga bakende baba chinjiko nabandi asamba bakopita imetaka banyora one morning banyora kudanayozi example. So I came one karoge to moteigoro number one those tests security the others is not to do so karoge to nyumba aiga bondo go control your those tests. Naende karo irisiko komere strenuous karo kwa west karo wanzira wa west kutaka kwa west ndio night karo roho wano roje isiko kale brango tuere na yago tuere you get it right lakini wone karo urege nyumba you get you become very comfortable for west but major you control the best
And nimechandika je
actually
pero kuri ya namono igoro yichincho ke aho kinziro kikile serikora cyabanta abantu bawo ai tukiteki korana n'umurimo utayibwo cyakobora
Oh, tidak ya, dain tu ciri-ciri tak rasa, friendly, domestic, most region joke hata ndio chile bwana kwa na reka ndio kiasi chichinde kudare na kusikira kitari korasa chile chindi haji ndio jambo but most I go to chichinde kudare
tuongelee neno ni kwamba chichinde kidare na ndio
yes.
most people they are discouraged to happen
Yeah. Kechi mama kila santa kila kozi jambo kila vetera kila na watu kwa exist na kila kora a lot but again they say pero chivono bole monobo and the jira korwa kwa nyora bantu ba idile ba sali. But Jinjo Gage again, they say, although I'm not done, there is a way of trade. On an age on there, you get to read something like Osunge Mario. They become friends in each other because they get used to reason. You take a shot yao, was a younger yao, Naronyo Sunge Mari. The one watching Aina, they become used to Java friend. That's one way or represent. Alternatively, Nata as it was surrounded, have raised, she was of a jazz of abo monta konya kole magweta gweta kitali go cause a problem and like a garage in the open a disadvantage nene na ende ya geranga chikokora innovation ne chi kwerende binte binga chi bed bag bigo cha biame no book na moth honey neron is bad because ya gozo aime ya sega even inonye ne mete chibao chirichia beehive ya jisega kabisa ya beke bintu imevinga na makonde ya manya kobeke bintu imevinga na matuaro ero na beko nganyi chinjo ke koganda kwanya chinjo ke changanyira and you know you cannot spray wono kwenye control you go physical kwanye na wono kwagenda you check every time kwagenda kwaligera kwanyora njirororo kwa rusi
watch monitor
exactly that's the right word kwa rusi waje wasamba immediately ebye binga chinsuri birobyo okogenda na wono nyenege ntokalike chinchoke kwa rusi kwa kongo ntarali batigoraria matoboro bosinini kwa birora kwa bita physically you keep on killing them physically eventually now we watch bya otherwise that ebina bibire bibe mono na byanganyiria obole mweji na bigo complicate obole mweji njoke
wow biasa no ino mito okurukwa nere Samuel Sato omumanyi we chintuke as semeyiga nabigo ogotwererane mono nkikiryo kaniri gokora na nkikiryo taganiri gokora iri konyoro bwita se chintuke chiga mwalimu ekero kurigelegero ya challenge chiga matkayiga climate change ugunchire kwirira nemo n'ibintu binge byasarikire kubwatikana no gunchirika oso guchinjugo kwerire wana bunayo mulemi bwo chinchuke chiga nakyoroche onjore kwirire ligasaliao di chinchuke gosiri amana utikana yani gokya kwira nansi
ya mono karemble tuete kaltuete mono chinchuke njirko babera active jirko babera active jirko nyora jirko ba actually active no woke mboliko ba to that quality nekero kwerende gachiete mobaso murakera exactly chinchoke njiri konyora mawa chanywera wana maja ko be problem onyo to watia maja na bajiko ba affected sana na bajiko ba affected but rende because kwale ta mangana yo climate what change chinchoke na jero jingo contribute jira a lot kwa improve our climate because ngo korajire pollination ngo korajire pollination to many trees many fruits like the avocado watermelon paipai kokorajire pollination go improve jire the climate. So I think nanjo no mulemi I should be very proud in nimbo the jinjoke to contribute to our improvement in the climate.
So meaning it's ogo tuga chinjoke chiga it's sustainable as omuntu na say economy.
Yeah, jinjire sustainable because there is that food security. There is that improve economy. You know, okay, it's very expensive. Like 1 liter is 1,000.
Wow.
Yeah, 1 liter is 1,000. And omotano yomo can give you 7 liters.
Motano
yomo
7 liters.
7 liters.
So that's 7,000.
That is 7,000 in one harvest.
No musa na linkali watebanga nchinga netie egasi usemerma yobisi. Nchibes kindo chenchira se
sure. When I went to benchmarking, I went to Eskim kanyoro mungwano yomo zan engineer yabwate metana 170 aga jete nyumba buneli bone nene nalikonyora chimetane rororo ugorige likwara kweli chinjoke nalikonyora jansi roso ajaso na jaso ile metana 5 so metana buneli bono
orojarusi chelita
so you will be exporting yem oboke
wakwanire goma yo export kwagesire oboke bwao maki okonyore chiro yao yobuko bwiga and at some point kero maybe abantu bali bakora ubutugyo bwiga bw'ekinjoke asekerenge kenene obwate no yugwate biro bwate enyombe nene osia perenne okorosia oboke burigo ngaki
oboko bosolonga asumanyire bananje bono nimanyire ngani mbwate chinjoke order bone ko bone nyinge even up to now ntara harvest there is an order especially bananje bono ngoni chiobvious like kizi koni and chiobvious chichina na kusimu ari musako the workers there they know me they know ngani mbwato boko ya even they are order tindiko baizane actually tindiko baizane
ande bako nerang because of workable of high quality and workable obokoma tuto you are not going to cook we maintain hygiene we maintain hygiene rigoro because talibana mabera wono maybe umontara agenda tenga koberia anyu oboko konyu direct you are not going to cook unaona umwa chana ba mwabe komugati bore bwango boke bwalenge mna bole
mwa minding maybe more contaminated
no
so boke ko na lia bando it should be super clean super clean so to pack we pack in each container cha 1 liter half a liter but mostly is 1 liter on the narrow order even 5 liters even 10 liters so we pack to have our clean. Yeah, very clean. For now, una bono. Oboke kobo rosia, onyo korusi no bachoe. O kobelia, na o kobeli to kobeli direct no molero. O kobeke sugulie nene. Obeke sugulie ndeme. Eso bono bachoe bole. Bona macha ya na robo kobe rambo come into contact na heat. So bwabera watiga bwakenda karabwakendira bono bogo settle down obajoe bwatiga rigo igoro wachunjuga the special bijunjugo wachunjuga oro konyo ko bwate the best na ne machine na gotebia and extractor machine
okuberi okoiga okubeka machine
okobeka amache atogote sufuria nene obochoe kwabeka another sufuria kwamanya gotereke sufuria iyo amache ime
igotari okobeka oboka amache ime no bochoe bwe
ya ogotereke sufuria rero amache morero amache agotogota no boke bori kwabeka kwamanya go wanyitotoka
watikaro boke sufuria
omaete bokoburukana no bochoe bochoe mboro boko melt wa melt wa form a liquid. Pero wa form a liquid, wano ukobobeka to another container. Obo bochoe boko kenda boko bwatana. Kero bwatanire bwatigo bokenza bochoe bwachaiga kwa karege tokoroka kwa ongoli. Kwa ongolia. Wano naende kwamanya go filter.
Kwame osi wano nige chinchugo.
Nige chinchugo ngero kero special kwa filter. Oboko bobono boli borosire ne machine wole the best because oboko mbobwate some enzymes. Chire very good in the stomach. Wone karoko bobelia enzymes jire jikaba destroy. Lakini karawo rusite ne machine esa mzigirie jiri chindia that is why karako arusiri oboke bolive ni botara akora kendo bole no bochoe ogotakuna it's very good for you are it oro ya because mbobwate enzymes
chigo konya si mochano maybe urasende tutara koro morobiro yega obosembu wa se abasaye bakaniti guchaka uburemi obuiga utibwe chinjuke murobyo
abasaye baganetie aeno egento geko bachanda kelinga mbabwati the basic chiwes chiri bago chakera lakini you can start simple no na bokori bao usually mbara traditionally to akagiri chinyongo twabeka boke bwa chinjoke jaso na bokori bao bwatani go chake waruziri oboke no 2 liters 3 liters 5 liters you know that automatically 5000 onya ukina ngora you can improve and then you are the best producer yo boke in this area. It's simple to start. Simple. Onye ne jinjo kanya nanga nanka just make a kando gose jinsi yaga chikine gojigoro muno ina gotebia in fact atugerete jinjo ke chikoni ya emesa nyaro jinjo ke chiroro mesa ne watetro kanyone jinjo ke abege toro mumo ino no are ga
gochorogera ga
jinjo ke no jira without the disturbance njoke njuwari wono wao amezoea ne jinjoke na jirocho once ugo chiobo I want na chikoli
nayo mobiso
because jinjoke njire very sensitive it's like a dog oru alligator esese yano bobo ega bwegose you know there are some hormones chikoba produced esese gotiokara yamanyo mundo no mwobo ne njoke naro na boyo
good wasangira buyana nande omuntu ligede somosa ligede tiabyo nyakoboga go iseme igro yo gutugibwe chinchoke ekero to gukora ime county Nyamira nabo igense ya Kenya kwegeri gumore ani emero binero the programs mo kwegerigwa anamono igro yo gutugibwe chinchoke nabo igo buri miyobo bwe chinchoke
ya tugade program na Nyamira karaya chagete ngakia mwaka daleti nyagarama abantu mbaye twega ni chi hayo but the only problem I don't know gusi ba win groups chi group win gusi they don't succeed abantu ba wose na abantu 20 ba we metana no 20 bagenda babeka within a short time chi group chakorire ki chaburukaniwe chasirire chirgo succeed but if they could find a way of sponsoring individual although groups work very well ekero unitero abantu bagokorera amo lakini in most cases surely osokorigera chi group jiri ja tulirie ngakeria there is no even one group ndagerenge baganda to chincho but if there is one person or managed konyora is still there. That is how they are. But now, of late again, the program has disappeared. Wow. We are not being assisted. We are not being assisted. Like when I started of my own.
What's a time?
Of my own. That gavono digete proposal nganyete maybe was an funded from outside.
kero kwa ligire propose iyo myake tate negere go chimotu nayo mulemi Samuel Sato ngayiro cha subutu gibwe chinjuke.
I want to produce a lot of honey. Go on in an supermarket, go on packing, but the labor yana. In that proposal again, I have a machine, chirichiko roast candle. I have a machine, chirichiko tap. Ekwerende lina gotebia obosongo boli chinchoke bolia, nebule chinchoke, and plus the other propolis. Propolis ekwerende na gotebia ko propolis. And then I also intending to assist abantu na wate babake anyone or cooperative. I'm also trying to sing to a rosary aga factory ga ituko boke
mwana gote yande go se mocho koro tebirenga tikambo te siomse kutuka chinchoke
mwana
gote bo boete na bande bo boete nga enjukinja
tayo so kire kine ndenganya ko ba tabi tole tonya ko ba egeria ona go sentu twasire ko ruato batigera they and they can get butoka get down to generations at least
yakemo mwancho mo ligerelia yakemo mulemi ito nande myamuna so sanga ne soko TV myamuna so sanga anamone ro manyibwao bo bulemi bwa kwe chinchoke.
Thank you
mwancho mo ligerelia awikira gabu dai tokolera bunyoranga inchoke ni gakorekana egento keregeke kurinde una kwiguru kura somuri mito Samuel Sato kuri nseme chiga ngo chibwato buyo bonge ubuno chaka ko nekinga ngo chako robo tugyo bwe chinchoke otanya ko bakokora kurinde ni goranya ko bakokonye kaso kunyorire ngeria nabo igo aso kuigendria asubo mabwao ande wegekero kende turasanga na mange kubotikana no buremi no butugi chinigo ngoro ko petrol machinto sangire no muri mito Samuel Sato kuri nseme chiga chietono imeye county ya Nyamira na ndweke kirekyo toka nire burigede botobwa tibito tibinde byonsi imeye nsoko tibi botambe ubulusubo mugusi asto kurusera amangana yoboremi no butuge weka chinga kecho na sayo yo
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.